Nation said he's going to share what he's doing right now.
Yeah.
Yes, you can show them what he's doing.
Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching this video from. This is National_254 and I'm here as well. It's a beautiful morning. I woke up. I'm sorry I'll not upload video like 2 days. And, it's my mistake, you know. But right now I can upload. So it was like let me say it was on which day is this? Today is Saturday. Thursday my phone broke the screen. So yeah, Thursday it was morning. Thursday, yes, Thursday it was morning. So I went and I changed the screen. So that is why I didn't upload the video, because I was not having a video. I was planning to go to make a video. So my screen, my phone broke, went down. So it was like an accident, but it's okay. But right now it's okay. I can vlog because the screen was so bad. It was even black over. So I was on a motorbike and then fall down. But I went somewhere. I borrowed money. Then I changed the screen. But don't worry about that. But I wanted to explain myself why am I not uploading the video. You know, you are in my family, so as long as I'm not uploading the video, you have to know the reason why. And you know, guys, that is not my what can I even put this? I can say like it's not like the thing that I do every day. I used to upload the video. It's not like I'm starting doing. No, I like uploading the video. You know, so that is it. And I'm here. I'm at home. As you can see around here, environment. I'm at home. Wow, I'm chilling home and. Yes, today I didn't go to job. Guys, I told you there is a video coming. There is the clip. After this clip, there is a clip coming. I was walking to one man there. I was installing ceiling board. So you will see that video after this. Yeah, after this you will see that video, because I made it yesterday, but it's a short video. I recorded what I was doing. But you know, that guy is strict. You can't record video there. It's bad. You know, others they think bad about YouTube. So I managed to record small what I was doing so that you guys will see, because I feel like you have to see. So I was working somewhere there at Nyabohanse. I was installing ceiling board, and I was with my brother Ken V. So so guys, you can't imagine I'm installing the ceiling board. I put the gypsum border, that kind of things. So you will see the way I decorated and I make it good. So after this video you will see it. What do you think, guys? Leave alone that. So you know, so I'm here, and today I didn't go to job because today there is no job there. So we are waiting for feedback for the guy, and we go there, we get something, you know. So you know, guys, I'm not monetized. I have to upload video daily. I use almost 200 shillings daily, guys. I have to upload the videos. So you will find like video is 2 GB and you have to upload it, you know. And you are not employed, you are not getting even salary from somewhere, you are working. You get or you don't get, you have to upload the video to be monetized. So that is the challenge also I'm getting here in YouTube, you know. So you have to make sure that I'm working hard to make sure that I'm uploading the video daily, and I'm giving you a content, you know, and I have to upload. That is it. And you know, some things, some bad things can come, like my phone broke and I didn't have money. Such things like that. So it's okay, don't worry. But I want to show you our garden, the way it's going. And then today, guys, I don't have content. I'm like, I can show you the way garden is going on. And there is a digestion I wanted to with you guys, because I'm hanging up with the iron sheet. There is a video, there is picture I'm going to show you of the roof that I can manage to buy iron sheet very fast. Guys, I feel to come out of my mother's house to come in my house. So there is this roof I'm going to show you, which will cost some few iron sheets. Like I can afford for me. I can work and get money and afford and get something like that. So I'm going to show you the way I'm going to, like, not now, like let me say in for some few days I will going to show you the roof that I want. Because right now, guys, I feel I'm tired living to my mother's house, and I feel to come inside my house and start my own life, something like that. So after some days I will show you the roof that I want. It's just a good one, it's not bad, it's a good one, but cheap, that I can afford very fast to buy iron sheet, to pay the guy to put the iron sheets, and me to struggle with the windows and whatever. Right now we have three windows, one for sitting room, one for kitchen, one for toilet. So that is the thing that I think right now I have to do. So there is a roof I was trying to see, and I have the picture. I think I will put that picture after this. So after this I'm going to put that picture of that roof. After this clip I'm going to put it. Okay, so now here, this is our garden, guys. I told you I don't have what do we call it, I don't have a wire mesh, so I decided to put this way so that chicken do not come. So we always put the what do we call it, water all around. And this is spinach. So guys, I decided to do this because I used to buy food daily, and I don't want to struggle again with this, and to buy food. And I have a small land here, I can dig all over here. But guys, I told you there is a toilet here, there is a septic tank here coming from this side, this way. But I want to put it the big one so that it will serve me here in this house forever. Yeah, something like that. So this is it. This is my portion that I'm going to dig a toilet. If it's not next week, I don't know. I will start this thing in next week here. So I think this is planning for it. I know things has stopped. Many things for me has stopped, like roofing, things like that. But I will try my best. I will try my best to make sure that I'm doing best. I will show that roof, and then we continue. We go. Though this is the place that I'm going to put the toilet here. I want to put the toilet here, and there is a veranda here. I'm going to extend it to be a veranda this side here. And wow, many of us, I know, this toilet belong this house, not a toilet, this house, and very good, it inside. So this is it, and already we have timbers, and this is our garden. This is our garden, our garden. Wow, a nursery. So this is sukuma wiki. This is sukuma wiki. Wow, there is water. They are getting all over. We have like 3 days without water. 3 days, not 3 days, 2 weeks. 2 weeks without water, without rain. So this is cabbage and dania on the side. Wow, it's okay. And guys, I told you that I prepare this place because very soon we are coming to do something here, like planting things and whatever. And our toilet is ready. I know, guys, I'm failing you for everything. I'm failing you for everything. I'm failing you for everything. I don't want to count it. Because this house was supposed to be finished. Guys, I'm alone and I can't manage to finish everything here. I'm alone, man. I'm alone. But I will try what I can do to make everything good. And you know, toilet is unfinished. Borehole is unfinished. My house is unfinished. This is my sister is washing, and my nephew from this side. And this is the house of the chicken that we are going to finish this part here. So my mother has some chickens here around, so we are trying to make a small house here, a small house for chicken. Like right now they have to be inside here. When I'm coming to plant vegetables here, they will not be affected, because I think we will use a lot of money and we don't want to lose it. Yeah. So I have to hide them inside here so that I will get freedom for my things. Wow. This is my mother's house, guys, and it's also unfinished. My house is unfinished. Wow, I know everything is going to be good. This is my small compound, the way I'm coming from this side. This is the end. Wow. So guys, thank you so much. I don't want to give you a lot of story. Let me prepare myself for things that I have to do and finish very fast. Guys, I know, and I repeat again, I know I have failed you for everything, like 99%. I don't know why when I'm starting something is not continuing, it's stopping suddenly, something very fast. And I pray that God is going to give me a grace and give me power again, and give me power again to go, because I feel I'm not tired. Guys, guys, I'm not tired. I feel like energy has reduced. Oh my goodness, wow. But you know, guess what, guys? I'm going to come with a lot of content. I'm going to come with a lot of content after next week. I promise you guys, next week I'm going to start a powerful and a strong content that you guys will enjoy it. And allow me, guys, to arrange myself, because I'm just confused right now, and it's not easy, guys. You know, it's not easy. I pray I'm going to be okay. So guys, thank you so much for staying here, and after this there is another clip that I'm going to show you what I did, the job somewhere. So guys, boom. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, whatever you're watching from this video. It's your boy here, National_254. I'm sorry guys for yesterday I didn't upload the video. Right now I'm somewhere at work. Yesterday I was at work, but I didn't upload the video. I told you guys I had errands of my phone. My phone broke the screen, so I had a hard moment. Right now, I'm around. Yesterday, guys, I was at the work. Guess what? I'm with a big boy here. How are you, bro?
Yes, I'm fine. Hi guys. I hope you're doing fine. Can be to fight here. We are today with Nation.
Well, you know, when they see this one, they know you are at work.
Okay. Yeah, so today, Nation said he's going to share what he's doing right now.
Yeah.
Yes, you can show them what is going on.
Wow. So today we are installing ceiling board. And yesterday we were installing. You can see this is decoration of it, and this is my brother was doing in this room. Wow, he's doing best work, you know. I learned from this my brother. He's showing me some things that I don't know because, man, you know.
So we are continuing from where we left.
Yeah.
Things that,
Yeah, yesterday I didn't do the video, but right now we are continuing from what we did yesterday.
Yes, you can show them where you have worked yourself.
Yeah, yes, yesterday I worked here. This is what I did. I installed this part here. This is a dining and this is a sitting room. So this is a dining. I was installing this part here, and you know, guys, I was working. Let me come up. You see, we are using this one to walk up, and I was walking here. I was doing this part. I remembered, like, I have to show you something I'm doing. You know, I have to show you my things here, the way I'm working. But today we are working on this part. I'm going to put a gypsum border. Gypsum border is this one. I'm going to put it inside here, going around to close those doors and to make it clean and good. You see, like this one, so clean and good. So walking around until inside. And guys, I'm here with National Investment. National Investment is here, and my brother N_Prince, he has gone there. He's coming back. So guys, we are working together, and guys, watch my video until the end. If the video like, and my brother there, Kenzi, has a channel too. Support that my brother road to success is struggling for hours. So guys, watch the videos. And, wow, amazing.
Hey, big up. It's me. And
We are here.
we are here.
We are working. You go to bring the charger.
Yeah.
I want to charge the phone. Okay, guys, we are here, and my brother there, Kenvi, has a channel too. Guys, support for the hours. He's struggling for the hours, so you can support him. Even me too, I'm struggling for the hours. So guys, we are putting gypsum board. Guys, I'm sorry. I apologize for yesterday. Yeah, I apologize.